Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coolmaker Gaming. Well, today I'm gonna unbox my new ASUS laptop. This is the latest model. It's an ROG STRIX edition. Alright, Intel i7 10th generation processor with 16GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD hard disk, and 8GB of graphics memory with you can say GeForce RTX 2070. Well, it looks a really high quality product. So look at this, how it pops out. That's a nice box. Well, let's check what we have inside. Well, at the right hand side we have a charging cable with adapter, charging adapter. On the left, we have a user manual, maybe a warranty card as well. Nothing else. Alright, now let's open this up. Let's remove the plastic and let's do a quick boot. Let's boot this up. Alright, let's see what we have here. Wi-Fi 6 certified. Well, we have a number pad on the mouse pad. Maybe that's an alternative mouse pad and number pad. 144 Hz screen. Well, 144 refresh rate means 144 frame per second. Alright, there's a logo. Alright, let's do a 360 view. We have a network cable, HDMI, USB-C charging port, and 3 other USB 2.0. Alright. Starting a pretty decent RGB light. Alright, this looks really awesome. Alright, this is one of the high-end device, one of the most awesome gadget to get in 2020. well, I will also be uploading another video of unboxing this ROG phone too. Both of them are from ASUS ROG series and a STRIX edition. So let's light them up.